Number 12 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. So I think most of you know I'm not a gun fan, but the gun in this song is a metaphor. Okay, it's about how to make a decision. Fire that gun, pick a direction to point it in, pull the trigger and take aim. There is no need to wait, the decision is already made. Take that leap, pick a direction to jump in, bend your knees and release, and the jump will be complete. It's not as scary as it seems. Oh, what will I do? How will I choose? Spin the wheel, let fate take its course. You can be so much more. Don't live with remorse. Life doesn't have to feel like a chore. Toss a coin, throw your future in the air. It can land anywhere. Heads or tails will be fair. Give it a flip like you don't even care. Oh, what will I do? How will I choose? Pull the plug, cut your losses and move on. When the water clears the drain, you can see what remains and use it for a new life to create. Well, sometimes fate is smarter than us. My life's biggest moments, I didn't think too much. But every time I hit quicksand, it was because I overplanned. Get out of the way, let my gut take the lead. I can get some relief and end up exactly where I need. The pressure's off me, I can take a back seat and let life take the lead. I finally am at peace. I don't think I've ever been at peace in my whole life, but I'm sure trying. So that's the closing of the original music that was written late 2014, 2015. Leave the country, wrote all those songs, put those in a different album, came back and wrote these songs 2019, 2020. So those are the bookends before and after the move. Stay tuned for one more video that's the bonus track.